Are you tired of calendar chaos and ready to finally decide which scheduling app reigns supreme? First, let's explore Google Calendar, a web-based time management application. Its strength lies in seamless integration with other Google services like Gmail, Drive, and Meet. Now, let's shift our focus to Ical, also known as Apple Calendar, the default calendar app for macOS and iOS devices. Its beauty is in its simplicity and tight integration within the Apple ecosystem. Visually, Google Calendar boasts a modern, customizable interface with various view options. Ical offers a clean and intuitive design that aligns with Apple's aesthetic. Consider which style resonates best with you. When it comes to integrations, Google Calendar shines with its extensive compatibility with third-party apps and services. Ical plays well with Apple's ecosystem, but has fewer third-party integrations. Cost-wise, both are generally free. Google Calendar is free with a Google account. Ical is free on Apple devices, but note that extra iCloud storage beyond the free tier might incur a cost. Ultimately, the best calendar tool hinges on your needs. Google Calendar is a powerhouse for those deeply embedded in the Google environment. Ical works best for those who prefer simplicity and use Apple products. Make the right choice and boost your productivity. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips.